Hey everyone. So I was gonna make just one video for all my classes, but I realized for game design in particular, your class is set up a little bit differently this semester. So we know in the first semester it's no surprise after I sent out multiple emails about it. We just had a really low participation when it came to the assignments, and I don't really know why that was. I don't know why it was hard. We kind of lost some people after the first unit. I think maybe it was because it was like a recorded thing or something, but it is what it is. So let's let's make it our goal to start out awesome in the first start out awesome for the second semester. Okay, so let's take a look at what I want to do really quick. Is I want to take a look at the OHS. I want to just do a little introduction to Unit 4, Instructional Cycle 4, what it's going to look like, how to access the material, how to do the stuff, so that way, like, if you need to get started in semester 2, this is where you start. So I'm going to show you kind of a special thing that's in here as well. You're the only one of my classes that actually has access to what I'm about to show you. So I did change it up just a little bit. So let's edit on the fly. Let me make my face a little bit smaller. I'll put me down here in the corner so you can still see me, as if you wanted to. And then now let's take a look. So this is what your OHS looks like this year. It's very similar, or this semester, same as last semester, very similar. The only difference is, so I'll put this video right here. I'll put it right above the Path to Mastery. You'll see the Path to Mastery, little graphic on all of your stuff. Remember, this is just reminding you what the Path to Mastery is. So if you have any questions about it, check this out. So directly under Instructional Cycle 4, the first part is called Magic Calendar. This is where your Magic Calendar link will be. You can click on this, and inside of here will be your Magic Calendar. So I'll have a link to the Magic Calendar. That's the only thing you'll see in here. You won't see all this stuff. The next one you're going to see will say Mastery Activities. That's what, and actually I can just go ahead and rename this now. So let's just go ahead this Mastery. For some reason that one got named wrong. Mastery Activities. So this is where your mastery points come from. Remember, I've got all of them already pre-done. You won't be able to see all these. You'll only see them at 9:30 in the morning for each class. It's almost like directly when our class ends, they become available. And that's, by design, so that you guys have to come to class, stay on pace, check out the password, that kind of thing. So Mastery Activities is first. Then you'll have your link to the Magic Calendar. So the next thing you're going to see, and this is very unique to game design, is this little section right here, Catch Up Units. There are 2 catch-up units, and what these units are, they are the 2 units that I think are necessary in order to... It's necessary that you have at least engaged in these 2 units in order to pass semester 2 and to be successful in semester 2. Unit 4, Into the Nitty Gritty. Now, a lot of you have done these, and if you've done them, that's great. Don't worry about it. But for the ones who maybe fell behind first semester, this is a chance to be able to go back and look at what we did in Unit 4 and 5. So Unit 4 is Into the Nitty Gritty. It's about creating a game design document, and this game design document is what is going to go with you all semester. Now, you could make it on the fly. You can do that. But this is a really good way to introduce you to creating this game design document, this thing that's going to stay with your video game your entire life in the entire life of this course. So the second one, the second unit is called Let's Make a Game. The big point here is it's the introduction to this piece of software called Unity. So the software that we use for this course is called Unity, and in this material right here, Let's Make a Game, you're going to get an introduction to how to download Unity. Also, there is directions on how to open certain modules, and make sure you follow the steps very carefully, because we had a lot of, first semester, there was a lot of people who would like get through step 1 through 3, and then they were like, well, this isn't working, and sure enough, it was in step 4 and 5. So make sure you follow all the steps all the way down before you try using it. But this unit will introduce you to playing around with Unity. Once you've done those 2, the first unit that you will want to start with, and like I said, I do encourage you to go ahead and stay with us in the course, and then you go back to the catch-up units if you need help. And also, always reach out to me. I have one-on-one sessions I can set up every single day. There's no excuse in this class for not being successful second semester. Like I said, I'm totally opening up my time to this course and making sure that you get caught up. So if you didn't do as well as you wanted to in the first semester, that doesn't mean that you can't be successful in semester 2. But what we are starting on day 1, meaning really, I guess it's tomorrow, but it really starts, we know that like the first 2 days are kind of crazy. So what really starts is week 1 is this unit 6 programming concepts. So we have played around with the physics of Unity in unit 5. We've played around with the concepts of game design and all these fun things. Well, now in unit 6, which will take about 2 weeks to complete. So this will be on your Magic Calendar, but give yourself about 2 weeks to complete programming concepts. Unit 6 is just all about the different types of coding techniques and programming, and how programming is related to the visual interface of Unity. So it's really, really cool. It's really in-depth unit. So make sure that you're really paying attention to this one. It's a great first unit for semester 2. It's a little bit more advanced, but like I said, again, plenty of time to reach out to me. We can get together. We'll do some one-on-one sessions, no problem whatsoever. So this is what we're starting with. I'll put this video at the top of Instructional Cycle 4, and then I might do a little bit more detailed overview once we have our first class on Tuesday of next week. We'll have our first class, and then I'll do maybe a little bit more detailed overview of Unit 6. But feel free to jump into Unit 6 as soon as you log in tomorrow and start checking it out. Check out the unit summary here, and then just start looking through the different programming concepts and the introductions and things like that. So your first assignments will be due on January 18th. That's about 2.5 weeks from today. So you got plenty of time. You'll have the same as first semester. You'll have 1 activity, 1 quiz, and 1 set of text questions. You'll also have 2 optional discussions. Remember, the discussions can only help your grade. They can't hurt your grade, which is great. So if you want to do them, that's great. You'll get an extra point. I think it added up to like 3 to 4 full points in the first semester just from doing the discussions. And it's so easy, and it's a great way to engage with your classmates and kind of get some discussions going. So I really hope this helps you out to kind of get off on the right foot. Remember, do not hesitate to send me an email tomorrow. Let's get in a one-on-one session if you feel like you need help getting started. But this is going to be a great semester. I'm really excited. We did remove the bonus sections that we talked about earlier today because I realized that we just there's no way we have enough time in second semester to get through all the units that we want to get through and push back anything for bonus. So we're starting with Unit 6 right off the bat. It's going to be great. It's going to be awesome. I cannot wait to get to see you guys very soon. Next Tuesday. It's going to be fun. So I'll see you in class Tuesdays at 8:30 a.m. And always look out for my videos in the introductions, the welcome back stuff. So can't wait to see you all this semester, and let's just have a good one. So see you soon. Bye.